Blackboard system we've got is consistent for about 8 weeks. That way we get some measurables. Everything that's got an asterisk next to it is recorded, and we document that over here on the whiteboard. So the aim is to get fitter and faster and stronger with the measurables. The first thing we do is a challenge, which is around about a 5 to 10 minute event, which is recorded on the stopwatch. Then we come into strength here. So this session is broken down into vertical movements, push and pull. All right. We do 3 sets, variable rep ranges. So we're working a bit of strength, power, and also some more higher rep stuff, muscle endurance type of stuff. And then we come into the HIIT session here, where we're getting that lactic push, that aerobic session at the end. And then before they leave, they'll stretch. Session 2, different challenge. Again, about 5 to 10 minutes, a combination of cardio and strength-based activities. Then we come into weight session. We've got a lower body weight session here. The measurables we're doing is squats and deadlifts. And then at the end, again, coming into your HIIT session. So just 5 rounds, aerobic based activities. So we work on the higher end of the aerobic zone, and we typically work within the interval training, so hence HIIT. And then we come into another challenge here on session 3. The weights we're doing, we're only recording the bench press on this day. So this is a horizontal day, so horizontal push, horizontal pull. So that's how we do our 3 split routines. The first one is vertical, the second one is lower body, and the third one is horizontal work. At the bottom here we've got a bit of HIIT. So it's an AMRAP session, which is as many rounds as possible in 12 minutes. So before the members leave, they're just going to keep going around that little circuit there. It's got a bit of core in it and a bit of leg work in there just to get their heart rate up, doing a bit of shunting. And that's the Blackboard system. The whiteboard system, which is over here, is just totally random. We put a new workout up every day on the whiteboard. That just gets the clients away from the Blackboard, because sometimes they don't feel like being measured or assessed. And that way we just put them on a session on the whiteboard and gets them to have that variety. And they're the 2 principles we mainly work with. One is progressive overload, where we've got measurables, and the other one is variability, where the body gets put in that shock system where they're not used to stuff. And with them 2 principles, hopefully we get the best out of our clients, both physically and also mentally, so they don't get bored with their training.